For today's DIY video, I'm going to be using styrofoams that I got out from packaging, and I'll be using it to fortify Amazon boxes. I have a lot of these, and they're all in different sizes. So what I'm going to be doing now is taking the boxes. I made sure to use boxes that have their shape intact. I used two different sizes. One is going to be larger than the other. And I'm going to be filling up the first large box first with styrofoam. I'll measure out the shape that I need and cut it with a saw. I'll be adding up the styrofoam pieces till I get the height that I want. I closed it up, cleaned up my work area a little bit, and then repeated the same thing for the other smaller box. I'm covering the edges with white tape only because I know that a little bit of it might show out in the project. So with the white tape, it's going to make it all neutral. I glued both boxes together with hot glue and a strong adhesive. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover up all of the boxes with mirrors using a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun. I decided to just cover up the white tape area with glitter sheets. I cut out little pieces from a large glitter sheet, and I'm just going to be covering up the white parts. I have some open spaces here, so that's going to be covered with mirror tiles. When I was done with that, I continued adding mirrors to the box. For the top, I'll be using larger mirrors to cover that up. I'll have to cut pieces from the larger mirror to cover up the open spaces. And all I'm using here to cut my mirror is a mirror cutter, and I'll leave a link for this down in the description box below. After I scored the mirror with the mirror cutter, all I did was to put it at an edge, and with a little bit of pressure, I was able to take off the piece that I want. Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. I am thrilled to announce that I'll be featuring smaller channels on my channel for free. If you're passionate about DIY and want to showcase your amazing projects to a larger audience, this is your chance. It's an opportunity for talented creators with less than 100,000 subscribers to get the exposure they deserve. Now with this, you have increased exposure, and you know what? There are exciting prizes to be won in a monthly contest ranging from $500 to even $1,000. So for more details on how to participate, please check out the community tab on my channel in the description box below in this video. I cannot wait to see the incredible projects you all come up with, because I am really rooting for those awesome DIY creators that are not viewed and appreciated enough. So let's keep those videos coming and stay creative. I'll be seeing some of the cardboard edges, so I'm going to be covering that up with glitter sheet before then attaching the tiles to the sides. Now I have nicely covered Amazon boxes that's fit for a coffee table. Now the next idea that I use the styrofoam for is to fill in a box, like this box here, with a styrofoam, and then you can use it for either your plants, a stand, a pedestal. I mean, it's all up to you what you would love to use this size of decor for in your home. I'm going to be covering this all up with marble contact paper, and you can use any other color of your choice. I chose black because I had a lot of these at home. After I covered the two larger sides with marble contact paper, I'm going to be covering the smaller two sides with stickers from the Dollar Tree. I'll be adding decorative ornaments to my design. I'll use a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun to attach these ornaments to the surface of my design. Here's what it looks like, and it's a decorative piece just by itself, but then you can use it as a stand or add some other extra decor on top of it, like a pedestal, and it would still look pretty. Here's a look of the coffee table again with Amazon boxes that were filled with styrofoam. This is really sturdy and I love the way it turned out too as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.